Hey guys, Taylor Dessens from TaylorDessens.com. Today we're going to talk about Facebook pixels. We're going to start with a quick introduction from Stephanie Sides of Social Chickie, who's going to give us a rundown on what a pixel is and why you might need it for your website. Then I'm going to jump right into WordPress and show you how to add a Facebook pixel to your own website in under 2 minutes. Let's get started.
Hey, I am Steph Sides, I'm Social Chickie, and today I want to take a few minutes and talk to you about Facebook pixels, why you need one, and what to do with them, and what they do for you. So if you're going to do any kind of paid advertising on Facebook, you need to have a pixel for a couple of reasons. Number one is conversion tracking. So it allows you to see how visitors interact with your website after viewing your ad. So it could be something as simple as, do they see your ad on their phone and then they go to the desktop where they make their purchase, or maybe it's vice versa, or do they go and they look at a couple of different pages first before they buy? So it gives you some idea of how to track them and what that conversion looks like. The second reason is retargeting. Retargeting, simply explained, is, you know how when you're searching for something on the internet, like you're comparison shopping dishwashers, and you're looking out on Google, and then you go to Facebook and suddenly there's all these ads for dishwashers showing up on your newsfeed? That's a pixel retargeting. So what that is doing is it's telling Facebook what your visitors look like, what they're looking for, and they're putting an ad on Facebook in front of those people. So the ad can be as specific as, I'm showing you an ad specifically for the dishwasher that you were just looking at on our website, or it could even target someone who leaves something in the shopping cart and doesn't complete a purchase. The third reason is lookalike audiences. So anyone who comes to your website is a warm lead. There's something of interest that has brought them to your website, that they're interested in your services or your products. So if you're spending money on Facebook ads, you want to get to more people like that who are new. So the best thing to do is to retarget. So your pixel takes some information about who comes to your website, and it tells Facebook, and Facebook says, okay, I'm going to find more people who look like those website visitors, and we're going to put your ad in front of them, and we're going to grow your audience and grow your conversion. The next reason is to optimize your ads. And what that does is it collects data from the pixels, and it helps Facebook make sure that they're showing it to the best people. It tracks their purchasing, who's purchasing low product, who's purchasing high product, and it will allow you to put those ads in front of more people who are buying that high value item from you. So it gets the ad in front of the best spenders, really. And then the last thing that you want to do is you want to track. So if you're spending this money and you're spending this time, you got to see, like, is it worth it? What's my return on investment? How much does it cost me to get that lead? How much does it cost me to get someone to click here? You can track all of that with the Facebook pixel. That gets a little technical. I'm not going to dive into so much how that is, but those are the basic reasons of why you need one. So here's the thing. If you have a website and you're selling a product or a service, and you're on Facebook, and you intend to do any kind of paid ads on Facebook, and this goes for Instagram too, because Facebook and Instagram work together now, then you need to have a pixel on your website. So I can help you set up Ads Manager. I can help you create your pixel. I can help you with a strategy on how to use Facebook and Facebook advertising effectively. My girl Taylor here is the one who can help you make your website look great, make sure that it functions right, make sure that it converts, make sure that you're found. So Taylor, take it away, and I will talk to you guys later.
There are a lot of different ways to add a Facebook pixel to your website, and depending on which platform you're using, you might need to take a different approach. In today's example, we're going to look specifically at how you add a Facebook pixel to a WordPress theme using your header.php file so that you can track users across all pages of your website with a single code snippet. To get started, you're going to need two things: your Facebook pixel code and access to your WordPress CMS as an admin user. At a minimum, your header file tells your website which styles and scripts it needs in order to run successfully. But it often also holds important information like your meta details, your Google Analytics code, and it sets up your header and navigation system for use across all of your website. To add your Facebook pixel to your WordPress theme, we're going to take these steps. Access your file by using the left side navigation of your WordPress CMS. Go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Be careful. This section controls your entire website. Only hit Save when you're absolutely ready. On the right side menu, look for the file called header.php. Often, this file will have a bold title of Theme Header. There's a lot of code in this file, so we're going to look for a specific section to add our Facebook pixel. Use Control F to find WP_HEAD, WP_head. This tiny function tells your WordPress theme that this is the head of your website. So we want to make sure and put our Facebook pixel before the function is called. Place your cursor one line before the WP head code, paste your Facebook pixel, and then hit Enter. Save the file using the Update File button at the bottom of the screen, and you're done. To verify that you've successfully added your Facebook pixel to your website, go to your home page. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select View Page Source. A new tab with your entire page code will then be displayed. You can use Control F again to search for Facebook. There you'll find your pixel code. Congratulations! Now for a bonus pro tip. Every WordPress theme is different. If you add your Facebook pixel to your current theme, but upgrade to another theme later, you're going to need to add your code to your new theme too. As an example, if you run the default WordPress 2020 theme and plan on upgrading to 2021 when it's available, then you're going to need to re-add your Facebook pixel to your header file of the 2021 theme when you upgrade. If you don't think you're going to remember to re-add your tracking next year, Google Tag Manager can inject the code into your website no matter which theme or platform you're using, or how frequently it changes. If you want to set up a Google Tag Manager account for your website, or if you need help adding your Facebook pixel to other platforms like Wix, HubSpot, or Squarespace, reach out to me at hello@taylordevons.com.